welcome back to my channel. It's me Pratyusha here. In this video I just want to share with you my oil dispenser for a regular use. This is the bottle. I use it every day and I like it so much. I just want to share the details with you all. So let's get started. The oil dispenser bottle is the most used item in each kitchen. So I just want to share my oil dispenser here. I have been using this bottle from past 3-4 years and I love it. It is gifted by one of my friends here. The good part about this oil can is it won't leak it while pouring the oil in any kadai, and the holder is perfect. Since it is glass, it is so transparent we can see the content inside it, and with this holder it is easy to pour. The refill quantity is also huge. We can refill it the oil at least for a minimum of 10 days. The mouth is wide enough, we can easily pour the oil from a bigger can to this bottle is easy. Since it has a brush on top of it, we can also press it to consume the oil and use it for light usage of oil on any pan. With all these features, I like this bottle a lot and I use it every day. This is a nice ceramic oil can. I purchased this one from Macy's. The color is so beautiful and this is also very cute. I'm using this oil can to use a different oil. It has a nice hold to pour the oil. So, and it has a small lid while pouring the oil. It can automatically closes when not in use. So this is also very beautiful. I'm using it. This is another oil dispenser. I use it on a daily basis. I purchased this one from India, I think Amazon. It has a wide lid and it is so convenient to use it. I wanted to store the fried oil, deep fried oil that is mildly used it. By the way, I will be using the peanut oil for the deep fry. So only once I use it, I keep it a little bit of oil in that, and when you use it there is no leakage from outside, and also it has the closing for the oil as well. So this is also a very useful oil dispenser. This is how I store and organize different type of oils for my cooking. I will be organizing in this way next to my kitchen. I will be using the glass container, but I also use the different oils. Thank you for watching. If you like this idea, please like and share and comment.